In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your voice on Talkie AI. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Talkie AI and press Enter. In the results, click the official Talkie AI website. This brings you to their homepage, where you can access the tools you need. Once you're on the site, look for the option that says Create a Talkie and click it. This opens the Creator area. Here, you'll see your characters. Choose the character whose voice you want to change. If you have several, pick the one you use most often so you can hear the difference right away. Inside the editor for that character, find the voice settings section. This is where all the voice controls live. To make changes, click the edit icon, sometimes shown as a small pencil. That opens the voice selector so you can browse and adjust the sound. You'll see options to choose a male or female voice. Each option usually represents a different style. Things like tone, energy, and sometimes accent can vary from voice to voice. To help you decide, use the play button next to each voice to preview it. Take a moment to listen to several options. If you can, use headphones so you can focus on clarity, pronunciation, and pacing. Pay attention to how the voice matches your character's personality. For example, if your character is energetic or friendly, choose a voice that feels lively. If the character is calm or professional, a smoother, steadier voice might work better. When you've found the voice you like, click Use to apply it to your character. This sets the voice, but the change isn't permanent until you save. Before leaving the page, go to the upper right corner and click Save. Saving locks in your selection, so the next time you interact with your character, it speaks in the new voice. If you forget to save, your changes may not stick, and you'd have to repeat the selection. That's it. You went from searching for Talkie AI to opening the creator, picking your character, adjusting the voice setting with the edit icon, previewing the options, choosing the one you like with Use, and saving your changes at the end. If the interface looks slightly different on your screen, don't worry. Designs update over time, but the core steps remain the same. Open, select, preview, apply, and save. Thanks for watching, and enjoy giving your character a voice that truly fits.